made strawberry pie filling. That's right, we're going to make it on the stovetop with just a few simple ingredients. Strawberries, sugar, a little bit of thickener, and I'll talk to you about that. Let's get started. The strawberries have been washed and they're all ready to slice. There's about 5 cups in there. So remove the hulls and then just slice them in halves and quarters. These are pretty big berries, so I had to quarter some of them. The first thing we're going to do is mash 1 cup of the sliced strawberries. That looks pretty good. Add the mashed strawberries to a saucepan, and then we'll add a cup of water and bring that to a boil. This is going to be part of the thickener we use for the strawberry pie filling. Once it's boiled, we're going to strain the berries, and then into the cup we'll add enough water to bring it back up to 1 full cup. Now this is the best part. Bring the mashed berries, sugar, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, mix it in, and then bring it to a boil in your saucepan. And I used sort of medium heat. You don't want to get the heat too high because you don't want the berries to burn. And then just start whisking. Just whisk until the cornstarch is completely blended. You can see a few little globs of it there, but it will be fully blended before we add the berries. That looks good, and it's starting to thicken. Okay, remove it from the stove, turn off the heat first, and stir in the fresh berries. And just keep stirring until they're fully covered with this wonderful strawberry thickener mixture. Oh, that looks great. Absolutely wonderful. Ready for a pie, shortcakes, whatever you want to make with it. And you can see it was a combination of mashed berries and cornstarch that gave us enough thickener to make this strawberry pie filling. And there you have it. Beautiful, glossy, and the aroma from the strawberries is just incredible. You could spoon this over tarts, tart shells, put it into pie crust, pound cake, ice cream as a sundae. And next up, I'm going to make strawberry shortcake and use this beautiful homemade strawberry pie filling in that recipe. Thanks so much for baking with me today. Happy baking.